Hey guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos. I literally post a video every single day. Today's video, I'm going to be taking this valve cover off, sanding it down, and painting it black. Now, the reason why the paint is coming off on it, I'm assuming, is because they didn't powder coat it. So I can't match the paint on the block, so I'm going to paint it black on top and be good to go with it. So let's continue with the video. And guys, we're also painting the oil cap cover. Okay guys, with that being said, you should be able to remove it just like so. Okay guys, so it's simply not possible to remove the valve cover without removing this vacuum line. So when we're going to be putting back the vacuum line, we're going to have to put Teflon tape because I don't want any leaks. So let's give it a try and see if she works. Oh, she does. Okay, that was easy. Let me get that in there. And there you have it, boys. Simply gonna raise her up. There's a fuel line there, but you could go around that honestly and just come out this way. Boom. Sanding her down now. Give me that. Okay guys, after cleaning and sanding it down, time to give it some coats of paint. So the first thing we're doing, guys, is I got flame-proof up to 2,000 degrees paint from Advanced Auto Parts. It's black, which afterwards I am going to paint it with a different coat here. So 2 coats of this and then 2 coats of that, because this is flat. So here we go. Alright guys, so first coat in, had to let her set in. Alright guys, now it's time for this one to get the gloss out. So here we go. Well, there you have it guys. I put her up here. She has now have to sit overnight, but she's now all nice and glossy. It took 4 coats of paint, so hopefully it'll look nice on the Volvo. Well guys, she's sat for a day. Take a look how beautiful this actually looks. So now all I'm gonna do is I need to wipe this here so that there's absolutely no dirt. Alright, now she's clean and ready to be put back on. Alright guys, so now I found an easier way. First I gotta put the new gasket on, valve cover gasket. Well, there you go guys, I have finished painting her. She looks like it's brand new and under the engine bay. This is a beautiful looking valve cover, ready for show. I am 100% ready to go with this thing on a car show. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 turn right. Driving a temp in the 6 Series.